How to add a project to your LinkedIn profile. In this video, I'll show you how to add a project to your LinkedIn profile. Adding projects is a great way to showcase your work, highlight your skills, and make your profile more attractive to recruiters. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your Android phone. Tap your profile picture, then again click on your profile. On your profile page, tap Add section. Next, select Recommended, then tap Add Project. Enter your project name and a brief description. Tap Add Skill to include the skills related to your project. If you'd like, you can also add a link, image, or other media as supporting material. Scroll down to add the start and end dates, or leave them blank if you're still working on the project. You can also add contributors and choose the associated organization if applicable. Once you've filled in the details, tap Save to add the project to your LinkedIn profile. That's it. You've successfully added a project to your LinkedIn profile, helping showcase your experience and skills. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.